We are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to show how you can open hidden apps in Oppo. So in order to access the folder that contains all the apps that you have hidden on the Oppo smartphone, you will need to open the phone dialer and input the access code that you should have already set up. So in my case that's hash 0000 hash. Most probably you could have forgotten your access code, which is a common issue that one can occur. If that's your case, if that's true in your case, you will need to set up a new one, or actually you can set up a new one if you want to. So go into settings, then privacy once again, hide apps, enter the privacy password. In here, by the way, you can also see the list of hidden apps as well. Then go for this gear icon that will bring you to the privacy password and access code settings, and just tap at the change access code option. Input the new access code that you would like to go with. As you can see, it must start and end with the hash or pound symbol and contain anywhere from 1 to 16 digits in between. So enter your new access code, make sure to memorize it, and then hit the done button. And now you can access your hidden apps by entering a new access code, like that. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.